Hello guys. Today we are going to understand the global object in node environment and in browser environment. Okay. Here to understand this, like first we will understand like the behavior of node environment and in the browser environment, and then we will understand this like globalThis how it works. Okay. Here I am just like I have given three variables. One is let, where, and this is one without having let and where. Okay. So if I'm going to print this, okay, in the node environment, so it is going to print perfectly as a all these three variables, and the same code if I'll run in browser as well. So here also it is going to work same way, and we are going to print all these values. Okay. Now, so if you are running this code in the node environment, all this, so what is the global object here? This is global only in case of the node environment. Okay, so let's check the behavior about the global object with all these three variables here. Okay, now let's run this same code. Okay, so now if you see it in case of the node environment, this global object only this variable gname variable is getting appended in the global context, but these two variables are not added into the global scope, right? And because of that we are getting this undefined value. But the same code if we run with the window, okay, now if we check the output of this here, you will see some difference from the node environment. So here the window object, the gname and vname, these two variables are added into global scope, right? But this is not added, and this you can if you watch my previous videos, I have explained in one of the video like why and like what is the behavior about this let variables. Okay, so here this is like these two variables only added into the global context here. Okay, but if this code I'm going to run in the node environment, it's not going to work because its window is not defined in node environment, right? And in the same way, if I'm going to use this here global object, that that code will not work in browser, and it is going to work only in the node environment. So the same way we have web worker as well. So web worker global object is self. So if you want to run this code, it's not going to work in the web worker, right? And there we have to use the self. So sometimes like we have to use this global object, and but that code as of now, like previously, we will not able to work with the global object because of this dependency or this like behavior. These global objects are not defined in different environment. We have different global object in different environment. But in to fix this problem, ES 2020 JavaScript introduced globalThis object, which will solve this all this problem here. Okay, if I define this globalThis, okay, so globalThis behavior is if you are running this this code in the node environment, the globalThis behavior will be similar to the global object. And if the same code you are running in browser, then globalThis behavior will be same as window object. And the same code if you are running in web worker, globalThis behavior will be similar to self object. Okay, so this is the one good advantage here if you are going to use globalThis. So definitely we should start using this only because this is like recommended and introduced in ES 2020. So just check this output of this to compare our output here. So now you can see this here. This is undefined, and this is here, like you are getting the same, plus the same. If I'll save it, I can check in the browser as well. So like globalThis is also behaving same as a window object here, right? So this is the one good advantage with this with globalThis object, and I hope you people start using this object in your future project or in your future applications. Okay, thank you for watching this video.